afternoon, Professor Tippens. This has been Newberry Lab for the timer lab. First we'll go through the code a little bit, and this is defining the constants, and up here you see we had to have button C and D for this lab because we'd be using the buttons on the board. And this is the 7 segment constants, and as you see this time we have to have A through F defined as we will be using the left side of the 7 segment display. This defines our signals, the center, the reset button, translate lap, victory, some new ones. And here we are renaming the components we will be using, as well as port mapping them. We're using my seg, the seg7, which is my driver, and I modified the driver slightly specifically for this lab. Adding the A through F and that kind of thing. And then this shows the transition when it's able to tell when buttons are pressed and released, and syncing the buttons for the reset and the clock. This controls the speed of our victory pattern, and this will make sure it keeps count from 0 to 20. And then this displays 9 through 0, and it keeps the count of the victory pattern. This process decodes the values that are coming in onto the display, and then this displays the victory pattern. Then test bench looks the same. It's just the simulation file. And here we will show, so the center button will start it, and it'll count down, and you can also press the center button to pause it. Then press it again and it'll continue. None of these buttons work. And then you can pause it, continue, reset it, start over. The bottom button resets as you just saw. And when it gets to 0, you will see a victory pattern on these two. And then it starts over. And there you go, and then we can press down here and it'll reset back to 20. And that is it for today. Thank you very much.